Hi everyone and welcome to the Information Technology Concept channel. So today I'm going to talk about 5 features in Windows 11 that will help you with your work, studies, in general, will improve the overall PC experience. So the 5 features are being able to browse the clipboard history, use the voice typing, enable live captions, enable night lights settings, and also use the native screen recording utility. So the first thing we want to enable is a clipboard history. Sometimes you want to copy multiple things and keep them in one place. So what you do is like you open a notepad, the WordPad, you copy and paste, but there is another way to do things and to be able to see everything you have copied in one place. So the first thing we need to do is to enable it. So you go on, click on Start, then Settings, and then in Systems, you scroll down, Clipboard, and then Clipboard History, you will need to enable it on. So now that it's enabled, let's try it. So let's say that you are a student and you have an assignment in economics and you would like to keep some notes. Maybe you want to copy this sentence and just copy it, or Ctrl C, having another look in here. You need to record this information, Ctrl C. Now if I want to see what I've been copied into the clipboard, I click on a Windows key and the letter V. It will show you what has been copied before. From there, you can pin it or you can clear everything. If you want to copy the text of one of those clipboard history, you just click on it. It will close the window, but then you can paste it in a WordPad, for example. That way you don't have to go back and forth from the browser to the WordPad. You can just select the text you would like to copy, Ctrl C, just select all the paragraph or sentences that you want to copy, and then at the end you can go back to the clipboard history and you can actually copy what you want, put it back all at once in a WordPad, or just select whatever you want to record. This also can be a very good tool if you would like to just take a note of something and you just need to Control C a sentence or a paragraph that you would like to record, and maybe in a few months you remember something that you really liked, and you can go back and browse the clipboard history and just find this piece of data. So the second features we would like to enable is voice typing. So voice typing can be very useful. For instance, if you just want to take a quick note, if you are in a meeting and you want to record the minutes, or if you are doing any type of work and you would like to take notes quickly without typing. This is a very good tool. So what you can do, for instance, we open a WordPad and we would like to enable voice typing. So you just click on the Windows key and the letter H. Voice typing is now enabled, and it will just type as I talk. As you can see, it's now typing right into WordPad, and you can make any changes or modification a bit later if you want to. The third feature we would like to explore is live captions. So live captions will enable you to see the voice as a text. So you can use it if you are watching a video or any other media. So first, to enable live captions, we need to download it. So the shortcut to enable live caption is the Windows key Control, which is Ctrl, and the letter L. So once you get this screen, you will have to download it first. Okay, so now it's saying that it is ready to caption. So for instance, I'm going to just open a video. I know that on YouTube there is already caption, but I imagine that in this case there is not. I will just enable it and we will try it. So as you can see, there is now the caption right above the screen. So this can be very useful. For instance, if you have videos that someone gave you a presentation and you would like to have the captions, just in case you don't want to put the sound on and you just want to read what the person is saying, this is a very good tool to actually do so. So the fourth feature is night light. So night light is similar to the feature on smartphone and tablet, which is built-in night light that shift the display to warmer tones to help you sleep. So in order to enable it, you will have to go to Settings, System, then click on Display, and you can actually switch night light on. You can click on the arrow to expand the settings, and you can actually have a schedule to set a time. So automatically Windows 11 will switch to night light, lower brightness screen, and it will turn on at a certain time and turn off the morning, maybe when the sun rises and you don't need to have low brightness mode. So lastly, we will talk about the screen recorder. Microsoft has its own screen recorder tool pre-installed on Windows 11. So to start using it, you will need to click on the Windows key and the letter G. So this screen can be a bit overwhelming. So if you would like to just close some of the widget, you can either click on a close key, or you can even just click on the one that you want to close. So capture, we want to keep it. Performance, we can close it. And Xbox Social, we can close it as well. So we are left with a capture. You can just move it wherever you want. So from here, you will be able to take screenshots or record the last 30 seconds of the screen, start a normal screen recording, or turn the mic on and off while you record. Then you will be able to see your captures when you click in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when a new video is released. Thank you and have a good day.